Malakas! Oh, so pag nakuha yung mechanics, oh, malakas talaga. Very good! Fundamentals ng front kick or push kick. Actual application na dito sa body armor. Pag sumipa ka, first, idikit mo muna yung knee mo sa chest, then push kick, tapos angat mo yung tuhod mo, dikit ulit sa chest, great chamber, then put your leg down. Tingnan natin kung kaya na. Okay, fight position. Okay, ready, go. Okay lang mga malakas. Go, 2. Very good. 3. Very good. Yan, exhale. 5. Very good. 6. Very good. 7. Good. 8. Oh, mind your foot. Okay, ready. Last 3. Go. Yan. Isipin mo, baka sumabi. Last 2. One more. Malakas. Malakas! Oh, so pag nakuha yung mechanics, oh, malakas talaga. Very good! Ituturo ko sa iyo ngayon yung roundhouse kick sa ulo na pang kickboxing. So, kailangan magawa pa rin yung fundamentals ng roundhouse kick. Ano yun? First, yung switching ng arms position para sa defense mo. Then, chamber, kick, with chamber, put your leg down, tapos balik ka sa fighting position mo. So, tingnan natin kung magagawa mo. Okay, fighting stance. Okay, so nandiyan yung kamay kong, gloves kong isa, dapat hindi dito sumabit yung paa mo. So, kailangan buhatin mo yung tuhod mo. Okay, ready? Go, kick. Dito sa gloves. 3, 4, 5. Yan, 6, exhale. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So yun, kapag ginagawa natin yung fundamentals pa rin ng roundhouse kick, kapag sumisipa tayo, nasa isip natin na gawin natin yung proseso ng fundamentals, mag-develop yung sipa mo sa kickboxing, mawala yung hesitation, at saka yung isip na pag na-touch yung paa ko, baka bumagsak ako. So, yun, kalagahan ng fundamentals sa actual. Okay? Ang next na sipa natin ay yung side kick stamping, pero nasa isip pa rin natin yung preparatory niya, yung fundamentals. First, we have to do the cross leg, then knees up or chamber, then side kick, great chamber, yan, cross leg, then adjust. Okay, so yung gagawin. Okay, ready, cross leg, go, kick, good, kick, ready, go. Tapos parang konti yung tuhod. 3. Wala nga hesitation. Huwag kang maglalangan. Go. Very good. Okay. Exhale. Good. Tapos parang konti. Very good. Maintain mo yun. Last 4. Maintain mo yun. Very good. Okay, go, go, go. Last 3. Wow. Last 2. Okay. Malakas na. So, yun yung nakaka-generate ng powerful side kick stamping kapag na-complete mo yung fundamentals. Very good. Okay. Tumit, matapang. Kamay, kamay. Okay, ready. Go. Push kick. Very good. Go. Buskas. Very good. One more. Okay. Ready. Go. Push kick. Go. Go. Okay, last. Yeah, ready. Go. Push kick. Go. 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 Okay.
Locos Championship.
Dapat na! Yun!
Yan. Very good. Luwag, 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 luwag.
Nice! Tungod na!
Aim 1. Salok, salok. Salok.
Bang! Si Kubong, si Kubong, si Kubong.